If you want to change your account status on GOG, whether you're trying to appear offline, stay hidden, or just control how others see you, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. First, go to GOG and open the app. Once the app launches, look to the top left corner of the screen and select the account icon. This is where your profile and status settings are located. After that, you'll see your current status option. If it says online, click on it and change it to Invincible. Choosing Invincible is the option you want if you do not want other people to see that you are online. This is a simple but useful setting, especially if you want more privacy while using the app. Once you select Invincible, your status should update right away. Now other users will no longer be able to see that you are online, and you can use GOG with a little more privacy and control. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to change the account status on GOG in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide.